Hey guys, Kyle Graneros here with Highlands Sport and Spine. I'm putting together a series of videos where I am talking about the functions and the energetic natures of the 12 main internal organ systems that we utilize in Oriental medicine. So let's get started with the heart, because the heart is arguably the most important organ in our bodies. You can't live without a heart. You just can't. Probably the most important function of the heart is to pump and distribute and circulate blood through the rest of the body. If blood is not circulating properly, you'll start to get all kinds of problems. It'll start to stagnate. Also, it won't reach all of the tissues in the body that it needs to reach. All of the tissues need blood to kind of irrigate it and nourish it and keep it clean and fresh and keep things moving. That is the kind of a yang side of the heart. And so if you look at that function and then you kind of look at the energy, the energetic nature of the heart, you can see the relationship there. Because heart energy is all about love for others and love for that which is outside of your center. That's that kind of distributing circulatory energy that comes from the heart. And it's cool, it's super cool. Like, let's talk about kind of more of a yin function of the heart is to receive. The heart has to receive blood in order to give it, and it has to empty itself so that there's room to receive more. So it's really important. I mean, this is just as important as its function to distribute. It has to be able to receive. It has to be open to receive. If it's not, if it can't receive anything, it's not going to have anything to give. So many of us are just so busy trying to give and trying to push that energy outward, and we don't always focus on being open to receiving the nourishment that we need so that we can keep going. The emotion related to the heart is joy, just a nice moderate level of joy, not too excited. Another thing when it comes to Oriental medicine with the heart is the heart houses the mind. The mind is not up here. The heart, the mind is here. Okay. So if someone has like some type of mental imbalance, or even just something like mental fatigue, mental fogginess, just trouble thinking, they might need a little bit of a boost in heart energy, particularly heart yang. The heart is where it's at, like the heart is about being present, about being in the moment, like right here, right now. So you guys may have experience with this, like you may be talking to somebody and you're like, you guys are making eye contact. You know that the sounds that you're making are getting into their ear holes, but it's like they didn't even hear what you said. They're somewhere else. Their mind is somewhere else. But that might be a case where someone could use a bit of a boost in that kind of receptivity capacity, to actually be able to receive, be in the moment, and to be able to receive what is being said to that person. Yeah, if you made it with me this long, thank you very much. And if you have any questions about that stuff, get in touch with me. I'd be happy to talk about it more. And yeah, that's my spiel on the heart.